Hi everyone, John here again today, and in this video I'm going to be doing an Astral Radiance Elite Trainer Box unboxing video. Now first of all, I'd like to apologise that I haven't done a video in a little while. I'll be completely honest with you, I just haven't been bothered. I've been busy with quite a lot of things and trying to expand my shop online, buying cards, etc. And I've been on holiday as well, so I've just let it all get behind me a little bit. So apologies for that. I will have more content again in the future. But today, the content we have is obviously this box here and seeing what we get inside. Now, this set is a little bit, I'd say it's a little bit underwhelming from some of the sets that have been out recently. We've been very spoilt with Pokemon, and I feel like this might be a bit of a filler set between the Pokemon Go set, which looks absolutely incredible. I don't know if anyone's seen, but there's basically cards that are like the Ditto card where the front peels off and it reveals it behind. Just some really cool artworks and generally quite an exciting set. But enough of that set, because today we do have Astral Radiance, and we'll see what we get inside and I guess go from there. So obviously in our first compartment here we have our 8 packs. So some nice looking artwork on those, and we'll get stuck on those in a minute. But first of all, let's see what else we get in here. So we have a V-Star, got logo there, obviously the normal dice and damage counters that you have when you play the game, another V-Star selection. We've got our coins, the Pokemon trading card game rules, and then on the other side we should have our sleeves. Now I don't know if this set has a promo in it, probably not, because they normally don't when they're the 8 card Elite Trainer boxes. It's normally the 10 ones that have those. So we've got our dividers, energy cards. I tell you what, someone could just have this code card, so feel free to take this. First person that gets it obviously gets the code. And then our sleeves, which have quite nice artwork on the back of it, same as on the front of the Elite Trainer box. So I'll keep this video short and we'll just get stuck in on these packs, and hopefully we get some good cards. There's quite a few decent artworks in this. One that I'm particularly excited for is the old Art Machamp, the Beedrill. There's a few full art trainers that look really nice. And let's get started. So first pack of the 8. I always feel under pressure when I'm opening packs on camera. I don't know why. I'll take the code card away as not to spoil anything, and I'm going to presume that it's 4 cards as usual. So we'll take our 4 cards, take them to the back. So the energy today, fighting. Ooh, I like that gold duck. That's a good start for like artwork. Super effective glasses. Nickit. Petilil, Bergmite, Hippopotas. That's one that's a struggle to say. Oh, I like that Cyndaquil. There you go, there's a nice artwork as well. And then our reverse holo is a Hoot Hoot. And in this pack we have, oh, so we've got a hit straight away, and this is the Rampardos normal holo. And we've got that textured straight line holo on this card. So, one pack down and on to the next. I know I've talked about it already. I must say I'm very, very excited for the Pokemon Go set. I think that's going to be as big as Celebrations was last year. Let's take away the code cards. And then we'll card trick. So our second pack, Psychic Energy. Then Canceling Cologne, Shieldon, another Bergmite, another Hippo, another Cyndaquil. This is almost like a duplicate pack to the last one. Cypher, and that looks awesome. That is worthy of being a rare. What are they doing? Why waste the artwork on just a common? Nice. This is a really cool set for artwork. I said about it being a filler set, but it looks good. Then we've got a Magnemite as our reverse holo, and this pack has Miss Magius, non-holo rare. 2 packs down, 6 to go. If you have watched my pack openings in the past, you'll know that I have the worst luck of anyone in Pokemon. In the last 2 years, I don't think I've got a single, literally a single chase card or main hit, which is a shame, but that's the way it is sometimes. So we've got another Psychic Energy here, Yanmega, a Gapejaw Bog, a Magneton, Rods, Hisuian Sneasel, and oh, I'm one card early. The reverse holo is Cancelling Cologne. I'm 2 cards early. I'm not paying attention today. And behind that we have a Mesprit holo. So again, the nice textured lines. It almost looks like an aurora behind it on the camera, the way that like flickers behind. Next pack, we've got the Typhlosion, Hisuian Typhlosion on the front. We'll see if we have any luck inside it getting a card like that. It would be nice to get at least one full art today. Code cards out the way. I have a feeling this one might be a hit, just looking at the back of it. Sometimes you can tell. So Water Energy, Sweet Honey. That is something I must say with modern sets. You can generally tell whether you've got a hit just from the quality of the corners that are cut, because on the back of these cards, they're not so bad on this set, but on some of the modern sets, the corners are cut really bad on the common cards, but then when you get to like a decent hit, they take more time and effort with the quality control, and this one did look like it had good corners on the back. I can actually see like a hollow effect bleeding through at the top here, so there's definitely a hit here. What that will be, we will find out next. So we've got a Cranidos, and the hit is Wide V. Nice. It's a pretty looking card. No VMAX or anything, sadly, but still, it's nice to get a hit. So we have 4 packs left. Got the Yanmar there. Get rid of that code card. Let's do the trick. I'll try and turn it over quickly so I don't spoil anything. So we've got Dark Energy, Trekking Shoes, another Golduck, Grant, Yanmar, Hoot Hoot, Pseudo Voodoo, Combi, Reverse. Oh, we've got a character rare here. I forgot this had character rares in it, so that's the first one of those we've had. So this is a Cleavor, which looks very nice, and with that we have Absol Holo. So this is a good pack. I'm happy with that. I like that character rare. It's so satisfying to have that instead of the reverse holo, because the reverse holos have just become a little, but they're just not special at the moment, are they? Whereas these character rares, very nice. Hey, not bad so far. We've only had 1 pack that hasn't had any holo in it. Struggling to get this one open. Oh, there we go. I was in danger of damaging the cards then. Code card's gone. 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Cranidos, Featherball, Whiscash, Pseudo Udo, Combi. She's got to be. Oh wow! Look at that Eevee. I was literally about to say that's a cute little card, and then you get an Eevee with like the most incredible artwork ever. I think that's my favourite card in this pack so far. Heracross, Teddy, then we've got a Diancie reverse holo, and with that, Regice non-holo rare. So 2 packs to go. I think I'm going to do the Typhlosion last, just because I'm superstitious. So let's see if we have any further luck. It would be nice to get 1 VMAX, but that is not always the way when it comes to packs. So Steel Energy or Metal, Uxie, Hisuian Overquill, Kamado, Bronzor, Rowlet, another one of those incredible ciphers, and then we have an Ursaring as the reverse holo, and on this pack, nothing on this one. Just another non-holo rare. So this is our last pack, so let's hope for some of that last pack magic. Fingers crossed. Or as always, it will be another pack where I have achieved very little. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which wouldn't surprise me. So let's try and keep this as close as we can in the middle, so no surprises. Fire Energy. Hippo. Dark Patch. Another Magneton. Glameow. Yanma. Swinub. Nickit. Petilil. Regigigas as the reverse holo, and then do we have a big hit? No! Ah, it's unfortunate. So this is what we've got to show from this pack. There's not a whole lot here really. We've got a Cleavor as the character rare, Absol, the Waidevi, Mesprit, and the Rampardos. So no VMAXs, no V-Stars, no secret rares, no ultra rares. Woe is me. But we've had fun and we've seen some of the cards in here and some of the awesome artworks. So not all is a loss. And that is Astral Radiance. And unfortunately that will be the only Astral Radiance pack I'm going to buy or box. Sorry, because as I say, I think it is a bit of a set that's in between the decent sets. And the main one that I'm interested in at the moment is going to be the Pokemon Go one. So when that comes through, I will have many more unboxings. I'll probably buy a booster box or two of that one. But thank you for watching the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, drop me a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. You can find me on YouTube, eBay, Instagram, Johns_Pokestop. Hope you all have a great day.